What's up, everybody?
Hey,
It's Kyle.
everybody. It's Ryan.
Kate, our destination.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
So what are we doing today?
We're cooking.
What are we cooking?
We've had many requests for another cooking video. So,
A lot.
we were thumbing through some recipes and came across dragon eggs.
Chicken, dragon eggs. And who we get this idea from?
Barbecue
Pit Guys.
BBQ Pit Guys.
We'll drop a link.
Link will be down below.
Or up there,
Or up there.
up there, here,
There.
over there.
There.
Yeah, right there.
But stay tuned. It's gonna be delicious.
Yes, it will.
Alright, everybody. Dragon eggs. For dragon eggs, we need peppers, chicken boobies, cream cheese, need bacon, and I think I'm gonna make some more cheese in it because I like cheese. So we're multitasking tonight, so I want to turn this around. My wife is watching BB3, but she put her headset on so she would not disrupt cooking night. So, with that being said, let's get this party started, shall we? So, we clean the chicken boobies off. Now this is where the hotness is. Get the seeds and stuff out. Then okay, so pepper in place. Now it's cream cheese. Okay, I got a little crazy with the cheese because I like cheese. Okay, so then alright, honey bunny, I need you to open up the bacon for me. So she's getting the bacon out for me because I didn't plan ahead. And so it begins. Remember, the tighter you bring it, the more elastic it is. Boom! The dragon egg. I'm gonna do another one, so stand by and we'll get it cooking. So, there they are, the finished product. Today we're gonna use our air fryer because it is pouring down rain outside to get the barbecue grill out. So, stay tuned as we work this through. Okay. So, now, we throw a little stank on it. Ooh, doggies. Stick around. They're gonna be intense. Okay, everybody. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Boom! Oh, Lordy. Lordy, Lordy, Lordy. Look at that juiciness. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Okay, so we're gonna have the moment of glory here. Need to turn this gloriousness towards the camera. Oh, goodness. Goodness gracious. And there it is. The dragon egg. So, now let me tell you, this looks amazing. But, don't take my word for it. Here, random stranger walking through my kitchen.
Hi, I'm a random stranger.
Would you like to try a chicken dragon egg that has been prepared today?
Why, certainly. I will be more than happy to eat something that a random stranger cooked and then I stumbled upon.
In this confined kitchen area, we shall have her opinion. Please.
Holy mother. Wow. Look at that. Wow.
Alright, so I cooked air fryer. This was done in the air fryer, not on the smoker, but done in the air fryer. And I cooked it at 350 for roughly 45 minutes. Tested it, and I gave it another 10 minutes just for a little extra because it's chicken. I mean, let's be real. So, you guys, I'm telling you, she's still eating it. Random stranger. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a blast making it. Thank you, BBQ Pit Boys, for the idea. I know mine wasn't as gloriously perfectly cooked as your guys' were, but it gives me time to try. Anyways, thanks everybody for watching. Love you guys. We'll see you out there.